So now on this next question, um, we have the parent function of cosine, just basic cosine, and they want to know what's the range of this thing. Well, the range, if you remember, is the possible y values, right? So let's write that down. The range is all possible y values. So when I look at this, I notice that, well, let me do it a little different here. When I look at this in terms of my y values, it appears that they are trapped between 1 and -1, right? In other words, my y values or my range for cosine of x is from the lower boundary, which is -1, to +1. And really, that's it. Now, you could write it this way, or you could write it this way, where you have your lower boundary and your upper boundary. And that's it on that one. That's pretty easy.